for us, a good way to draw and have like a top-down view of this is by actually drawing like if it was 2D. So if we go here, we can actually draw in our extrude options, we can draw different paths and this will snap to the grid. Okay, so I can go here and actually create a path, like create a small wall here. And then I can extrude the height by moving the mouse and click OK and complete. And once I have that, I have something. So if I click here, I click play, then now I have my new wall and it's a new mesh and it's working. Okay. So we can either duplicate this and we could check. Okay. This could work. So let's do something like this. And what I want to do is to actually move this wall so I can have a corridor here. So I go to my poly editor. So this is my polygroups. These polygroups are for each face in this case, and I can move this. And look what happens here when I move this is when I click accept, this one also changes because this one is actually a static mesh that we are using. And this one is the instance of that. So we are going to go back. And there are some ways to duplicate this object. We can either find it here. We can like duplicate it, move it here, put it in the same position. And then when we modify this one, we will get a new one. But I prefer to use the modeling tools to use the duplicate option here in create, where I will just click this and then I will put delete sources, will delete my new mesh, my previous mesh, sorry. And then I will put a new name here and I will click accept. And looks like nothing has happened. And the reason is we haven't changed anything. So now we can go into our poly editor mode and we can actually move this and we can go through along the normals. If I click here and drag and click accept, now this one is changing and not this one. So let's take a look at some principles while we are here. So first, I feel like this one is too short from distance. So when I play here, it takes me like 1, 2, 3 seconds to go left. So I don't want that. Let's move this one by actually selecting all my points here. Can move this one here and actually move this one just like this. Okay. Can move these points too. Just like that. So let's take a look at how it looks like. Okay, this feels much better. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to move this one here. And this part we're gonna move here to have something like that. And we're gonna grab these vertices and we're gonna move here. Just like that. Okay.